So ayun po, nag nag show database po ako kasi kanina po nagkamali ako. So meron pa akong existing na library DB. So ang ginawa ko is dinelete ko siya. So drop database library DB to. So after na nag-create ako ng database na panibago as library DB, then after po noon, i-use ko yung library DB para makapag create na ng table ng book ID, title, authors, genre, and yung ISBN, and then copies available. Then after nun is nag-insert ako dun sa table na ginawa natin na ng title, author, genre, ISBN, copies available ng yung nung books natin, which is yung yung 1984 George Orwell dystopian, yung 5 copies, so and so forth. So nag-select tayo, then select from books. So dito pinalabas yung book ID, yung title, author, genre, ISBN, copies available. Then after nun is nag-select tayo ng books. Tas yung genre is classic. So ang lumabas lang po is yung Pride and Prejudice na author is Jane Austen, yung genre which is classic po. Then after nun is nag-select distinct genre from books, is yung lumabas po is dystopian and classic. Then describe yung books. So dito pinapakita yung field, yung type, null, key, default, extra. So yung field is yung book ID, title, author, genre, ISBN, copies available. Tas yung type is kung integer, int, variable character. Tas yun. Tapos after nun is update book set, copies available, where then yun. Then after nun, select from books. Dito pinapakita na nabawasan yung 1984 na book. Then after nun, nag-delete from books, tapos copies available, ganyan. Tapos select genre from books. Tapos ayan, lumabas siya is as empty na. Then yung sunod, describe books. Ayan, ganun uli. Then tas yung MariaDB ay drain up na natin yung table books. Tas after nun, describe books. Tas lumabas na dito is library db.books doesn't exist. So anong nangyari is na-delete na siya. Thank you.